All right, guys, we got you a 2019 Ford Mustang 5.0, fully loaded. It used to have the active exhaust on it and all that. We cut that off. We're gonna show you what we did to it in a second. There it is, 5.0 Coyote. Got factory converters, as usual, there and there. Then we did an X-pipe about 6 months ago. Took the resonator out and put an X-pipe in its place. And then what we put out on the back, as you guys can see there and there, is 2 DYNOMAX race bullets, 24 250s. There'll be a link in the description for them, right there and right there. And then we also finished it off with some quad tips, just to complete the look. Really nice quad tips. I'll see if I can get you guys a link in the description for them. It's really nice. They're staggered quad tips, so you guys can see one is longer than the other, just to go with the bend. Comes out really nice. And then on the active exhaust, if you ever take it to a mechanic, you just tell them to zip tie them away and put them in inside the bumper on each side, like right there. That's what we did, there and there. Just zip tied them away. So if they ever need to put them back in, they can. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there. All right, there's the mufflers that we cut off. I don't know why they have them all the way over there, but they do. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off, there and there. And then the active exhaust goes on one of the tips, as you guys can see right there. There's the active exhaust. Has a flange that opens and closes depending on mode. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's a 2021 Ford Mustang Coyote 5.0 GT. What else? White. It's got 4 wheels. Anyways, what we got done on it now. So it's got factory converters there and there. Then we put the CORSA double X pipes kit. We'll get you guys a link in the description. I'll see if he has a picture of it, and we'll put, so we can find you guys a link. It's got the double X pipe for severe exhaust scavenge reduction all the way back. And then there's the CORSA mufflers there and there. I'm surprised they didn't even stamp the CORSA on them. That's crazy. Anyways, it's a 3-inch system. And then he's got the quad tips out the back, 4-inch on each side. Just completes the look. They do have CORSA on top of them. I'll show it to you guys in a second. There and there. And there's that whole huge system that we just took off, unbolted. There's the resonator and the 2 mufflers and tips right there and right there. And like always, guys, please comment, like, subscribe, and share because you care. Ford Mustang GT rear muffler delete with DYNOMAX race bullets and active exhaust delete. Go ahead with X-pipe in the center. Much better. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 120, bro. Again. Much better. Let it idle. That's what it sounds at idle. Give it gas. Again. Yeah, it's so much better. Go ahead and back it out. This is the normal mode. I don't know if the engine changes with sport or track mode. Oh, that sounds so good. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. See? Woo! That's the CORSA, baby. Man, that sounds beautiful. Listen to that scream. Here's sound decibels. There we go. And that's the nice thing about CORSA. The more you step on it, the louder it gets. But it's crazy how nice it sounds. I like it. and the drone is very minimal inside. So sick. It's clean. The double X pipe makes it huge. You just hear straight exhaust, no raspiness. Again. Again. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mustang. He just bought it. It's only got 600 miles on it, guys. Bought a system right away, brought it to us. My kind of guy. I'm the same way.